Hi, in this video we're going to show you how you could select colors from websites and then apply those colors to other applications. So therefore, if you need an exact color, you could easily do so. So let's say we're making our own custom Google logo here and we want to get all the colors and have them match exactly. We need the blue, the red, the yellow, and the green. So to do so, we're going to use a free extension called Eyedropper. So you just install like any other extension. It'll work for Chrome and for Edge. And then once you have it installed, and then you can come here and pin it to the top if you want quick access. Okay, so now we have our Google logo here with the official colors. So we'll click on the extension here. And you can see there's a plus version. If you want some additional features, you can check that out. But all we need to do is click on Pick Color from Webpage. Let's do the red here. Now you can see it puts it up here. Gives you the RGB color and it gives you the hex value, which is most likely what you're going to want to use. You may want to use the RGB or the HSL, but in our case for Word here, we're going to use the hex value. So we're going to highlight this and copy it. Go back over to Word. So this is going to be red. So the O and the E are red. So we'll go to our More Colors, Custom, and then we'll paste it in here. And then OK, and now you can see we have the red here, like so. Okay, let's say the L here, that's green. We'll just do it again real quick. Okay, and copy it. And you can see it keeps a history of what you've selected here, so if you want to go back, you could do so easily. All right, so let me try this here. All right, and then for the blue, I've already selected it, so I could just go back here and pick it again. And I need that blue for the two G's here. I've already had it in my list here, but I'll go ahead and do it the other way here. Okay, so all I have left is the yellow here, so let's pick this one more time here. I know it's a little tedious, just give you an idea of how this works here. Copy this. All right, so now we have our Google logo here with the exact same colors as the official Google logo itself. So you can see it's pretty simple to use, but the way you use it in your applications are going to depend on how you add the custom colors. I showed you how it works in Word, but other apps might work a little differently when you're selecting your colors. All right, so I'll put a link in the description where you can download Eyedropper, and then you can try it out for yourself. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.